Can you go over the pros and cons of 4-day work weeks? What did y'all end up doing? So we tried 4-day work weeks. Every employee, when they're getting burnout, always seems to bring that up to us. We tried it out. They ended up wanting to go back, mostly due to the fact that a call out on a 4-day week makes it even more pressure on the guys who stay. We just consistently saw that being the case. And then what would end up happening is we'd end up having to call people back on the Friday anyways, because people would call out. It's like now we're missing 25% of the work week if you call out versus 20%. So if when you have a large company, that's going to mean that multiple people are still working on Friday, which means now the office is still having to work. The manager's doing stuff to work that day anyways. So now they're working even longer hours. And then people start complaining when they're working like 10, 11-hour days. It's like 10, 11-hour days on a 4-day work week is full time. And so, yeah, if you start work at 7:30, you're going to be getting off at 5:36 every single day. And if that's going to be too much for you, then 5-day work weeks is what you're going to need to get off at 4:30. Like, it's just math. But I understand when you're working really hard, it's very tough work. You're out in the elements. You can get really discouraged. Like, man, I'm not getting home till 6:30 every single evening. I'm not able to eat with my family. Like, well, yeah, you chose to have a four day work week. And so we've tried it. Guys wanted to go back. I know that there's plenty of people that do enjoy it, and it's worked really well for them. And we do definitely try to make our 5th day a shorter day. That's like the goal. Either have it where it's off or it is a shorter day. Like they're only working 6-7 hours and not working 10, 11, 12. That's kind of the goal.